Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. Today we have a Galaxy S20 FE 5G with a cracked display. You can still use it, but it doesn't look good. So let's go fix it. So right now we have the Galaxy expert from Sydney CBD Repair Centre. That's David, and it's gonna be a quick one. And you can see that the back of this smartphone is not really cracked, but the camera glass is also cracked. So we're gonna replace both the front display and the camera glass. The camera glass is not really a major work. It's just some minor fix that David can do later on. Now we're going to remove the back cover. We're going to slowly do that. This is a premium device, so back covers are typically made up of glass. We're going to unscrew some of the screws that attaches the shrouds and motherboard covers to the housing. We're also going to remove the cover for the daughter board. You can see that there's a flat cable connecting both boards. We're gonna take everything out. Unlike other smartphones, we can't test the replacement display until we have fully reassembled the device with the new display. So David is gonna remove everything that he needs for the new display. And this is how you remove the camera glass. It's quite straightforward. And now we have a replacement camera glass cover. We're going to detach some attachments from the old camera glass and put it on the new one. And now we have the replacement display / housing. You have the frame, the screen, and housing all in one module. So everything that we have removed from the old display, including the battery and some bits and pieces, such as the fingerprint scanner and a speaker, microphone, it's gonna be transferred to the new one. So it's gonna be a fiddly task if you don't have the skill, but David here has been an expert in fixing smartphones, especially Samsung branded smartphones. So this is looking pretty easy. But if you're gonna do it yourself, be reminded that this is not gonna be a straightforward process if you have no muscle memory or no training to do this stuff. So if you don't want the hassle of fixing your own stuff and making mistakes that will definitely create more damage to the device, just head on to your local repair service technician, local repair service shop, and have them fix your smartphone for you. Or you can just message David here in Sydney CBD Repair Centre. And if you're far away from Sydney and you can't visit Sydney because of the holidays, then you can just mail in your smartphone so we can fix it. And just like this one, it looks brand new already. So just by replacing the screen and the housing, the smartphone is definitely looking a bit happier. It looks not depressed. We're gonna put new liquid glue on the back cover and of course the camera glass. And then we're gonna attach it as the final step of this process. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We release new repair videos from real clients' smartphones every week. And now this one is going to be added to our catalog of fixed smartphones. So I hope you enjoy this. See you again next time, guys. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Centre. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.